Welcome back to Unwind Vibes, where we explore the practices that nourish the mind, body, and soul. In today's day, we're getting into one of the most ancient and misunderstood practices, Tantra Yoga. When people hear the word Tantra, they often think of it as something mysterious or even taboo, but at its core, Tantra Yoga is about uniting the individual with the universal. It's a powerful blend of energy work, mindfulness, and connection that helps you embrace every moment fully. Tantra Yoga is not just a physical practice, it's about harmonizing the body's energy centers or chakras to align with the higher consciousness. This ancient form of yoga incorporates breathwork, meditation, and physical postures to cultivate an awareness of your divine energy. Let's begin with a foundational practice in Tantra Yoga, Pranayama or breath control. By consciously regulating your breath, you can channel energy throughout your body and calm your mind. Try this simple technique. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold your breath for a few seconds, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Focus on the flow of your breath and feel how it energizes your entire being. The physical aspect of Tantra Yoga is gentle yet deeply transformative. It's about moving with awareness and finding a balance between strength and surrender. Whether you're performing a pose or simply breathing, the goal is to stay present. Beyond the physical, Tantra Yoga is a path to spiritual growth through meditation and self-reflection. You connect with your innermost self, releasing emotional blockages and opening your heart to love and compassion. As you continue your Tantra Yoga journey, remember that it's about acceptance of yourself, your emotions, and the world around you. This practice encourages us to find joy in every moment and to view life through the lens of love and mindfulness. Thank you for joining me today in exploring Tantra Yoga. If you're ready to embrace your energy and deepen your connection with the world, make sure to subscribe and follow to Unwind Vibes and hit the bell icon for more yoga practices and tips. Thanks for watching.